This is a demonstration that love Tinubu. You can hear the number of votes scored. In all that have been coming, this is the highest vote we have recorded in all the primaries. And we say the message to our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. On your mandate, on his mandate, we stand. And that by 2027 general election, Opobo will give him at least 97% of that vote. On your mandate, we shall stand.